Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13 package in the mail from Amazon Prime. Got a case and screen protector for the Sony Xperia XA2 Ultra. Got my Razer phone right here. I'm over at Amazon Prime. I'll describe what I have in the package and then we're going to open it up. Sony Xperia XA2 Ultra case with Sony Xperia XA2 Ultra screen protector. It's a 2-in-1 scratch resistant, fashion soft TPU shockproof case. Sony Xperia XA2 Ultra glass screen protector. Black. It's a black case. Anyway, you can choose between the black or the red. $11.99 gets you either one. And again, it's a 2-in-1, so you'll get a screen protector. It should be a tempered glass screen protector. And what we're going to do is we're going to install, do the install here in this even if the screen protector doesn't work, still, this case should work really well as far as protecting your device. So let's get into this part. Look at that. Fancy. Wow. Okay, so let's just put all that over there. I'm going to put it away over here. How's that? There we go. And you got your guide sticker, you got your dust absorber. I don't use really all of that stuff. Unless I'm doing like a, if this was sent to me by a company, I would use all of this because that's part of the process and what they would like you to do. But since I bought this on my own, I'm just going to wipe this down and do the install. So let's make sure we get the beautiful 1080p IPS LCD display nice and clean. So there is a tad bit of gapping there, and if you press down on it, this is going to work for now. I'm probably going to end up bringing in IQ Shield liquid screen protector. Those work great because it's going to just cover the whole display. It's going to cover everything, and then I'm going to let it settle and it'll look good. But you know what? This is some protection. You know what? That's the one thing that I will always say is have some protection. Pay a lot of money. Pay a lot of money. Let me see. Am I putting this on right? Maybe I'll start from the top. You'll still be able to see the fingerprint reader in your camera, of course. Okay, you don't want that covered up or else the case ain't going to be working for you, right? Okay, and that looks really good. Even with that screen protector not going all the way across. It's looking good. Let's take a look at all the ports. Got your speaker grill, your mic, USB Type-C, headphone jack, your other mic, fingerprint reader, and your camera there. Everything exposed. I'm going to turn on the device because your power button and your volume rocker are covered up. So let's go ahead and turn this on. The vibration, Sony, and we'll wait for that to turn on. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. And now we're going to turn on the Sony Xperia XA2 Ultra with the fingerprint reader. Make sure that there's enough space around there for my fingerprint to be recognized. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. And there we go. That is on. Let's do it again one more time. Bam. Not the fastest, but not the slowest, but it works. That's all that matters. It works really well, okay? It responds really well. And yeah, so we already went over all the ports. Let's take a couple pictures, make sure there's no shadowing going on. OEN. The case is going to work. The case is going to be great. It looks really, really nice. Okay. Screen protector, not so much, but it's protection until I can bring in an IQ Shield. Liquid screen protector, and so it will stay on. I need that protection as I continue the reviewing process. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part. Keep watching for more videos on this device and for future smartphones and accessories. Whew, 5,000 subs right around the corner. I feel like I keep saying that over and over and over again. So please continue to share the video. Hit the notification button, man. Be notified of everything that I upload here on TMI Project 13. Follow me over at Twitter at Anthony131368, Google+, and of course here on YouTube. God bless. I'm out.